Okay, this is our landscaping contract for Castleknock. We've put in a side gate to create a utility area for wheelie bins. And we have garden lighting all through the garden. Downlighters on a new fence. The garden is made up of 2 levels, and the retaining wall doubles up as a seat. The synthetic golf green, 2 boxes cones framing the door. The plain steel garden shed. And plenty of entertainment area. The stone is flamed silver granite. The garden is a low maintenance garden. Plenty of boxes. We have standard bay laurels to give a room effect. Divide between the upper and lower. And we have the steps leading up to the clothesline area. So the planting is mainly boxes, and then we have our specimen smart guards, which give a nice Italianate look or feel to the garden. The upper lawn is all synthetic grass. Another seating area here. Also a spot to put clothes baskets on. We have mahonias, pittosporums, hellebordus, pittosporums, and then up at this upper seating area we have scented plants either side, and also pollinators for the birds and bees. We redid all the fencing. It was originally concrete post fencing, so that adds to the room effect. And of course the trampoline, which is obviously fantastic for the kids. Okay, that is our garden in Castleknock.